Welcome to my morning routine, you guys. So the first thing I do is, of course, wake up. I am a stomach sleeper, so I'm always face down on my belly while I'm sleeping. And the first thing I do is grab my phone, which is a habit that I really tried for a long time to break, but it was extremely hard. But what I have done is cut down the amount of time I'm on my phone. Plus, I'm usually answering emails anyways, and I'm not gonna lie, Instagram as well and Twitter. And then I give Sugar Baby some love because he's so adorable. I used to let him come on the bed, but since I moved into my new home, he is no longer allowed on the bed. Womp, womp, womp. And yeah, just gonna put on my house shoes and get up, and Sugar Baby always follows me. I didn't mention, but I normally pull back the sheets on my bed. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't do it this day though because I was really busy this day, but I normally pull back the sheets on my bed and kind of make it a little bit, make it look neat. Then I get up and grab my robe so that I can do my skincare. One thing I love doing is putting up the blinds in the morning because I just love all that sun pouring in. It makes me feel happy and just feel good to stare at the view as well as to get all that sun. Then I'll head over to the bathroom, do my business, brush my teeth, all that fun stuff, and of course cleanse my face because today we're gonna be using a mask, so I wanna make sure, well, I always cleanse my face every morning, but yeah. What's up, you guys? Popping on here real time instead of voiceover. So I'm actually about to do a little quick mask. I do wanna mention that this video is sponsored by Foreo Sweden. I have been working with them for a long time now. I don't even know exactly how long, but a really long time now. I absolutely love their brand. I do want to introduce you guys to the UFO mask treatment device. This little guy is absolutely incredible and amazing. It has changed my skin routine. It has changed the game. I have been really confident with my new and improved skincare routine recently. I really can't wait to share my updated routine with you guys because I feel like I have achieved a routine that just works perfectly for me. So there's a lot of reasons why I love this, but the number one reason why I'm obsessed with this is it takes your conventional mask that takes like 20 minutes to do and it transforms it and takes only 90 seconds. Like, I absolutely love this technology. It's incredible. I can get a mask done in only 90 seconds as opposed to, 15-20 minutes. That just takes way too long. I love doing this in the morning, especially because I feel like I really get a good start to my morning. My skin can look amazing that day. It can look amazing under makeup. The technology on this is seriously insane. It uses all these different technologies to really make sure that the masks get into your skin, but they actually sell the perfect masks for it. So this one that I'm using today is the green tea purifying. I love anything that is purifying because I have oily skin. My pores are so easily opened that it does catch a lot of the impurities and in the air, and just my pores get clogged really easily, pretty much is what I'm saying. So I love anything that is purifying, and I absolutely love this because I feel like when I put this on in the morning, I'm able to make sure that I purify my pores, get everything situated there so that throughout the day, my pores are good, they're clean. Honestly, doing masks before, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, even my sister says this all the time. She's like, I don't really do masks too often because it's like they take too long. Like, I would just do them, like, to be honest with you, supposed to do them once a week, but I would end up doing them like once a month or whatever because it takes too long and it's just that extra step. This literally takes 90 seconds and I get the most amazing mask. I love this specific one because honestly, I really feel like it does get into my pores. It cleans everything out. It just makes me more confident because then when I go to do my makeup, I know that my skin is just bright and clear. So another thing that I do love about specifically the green tea one is it protects your skin from environmental stressors, which is really important for me because like I said, I've been told and I just know that I have really vulnerable pores. So all of the impurities in the air and just outside and environmental stressors, like I said, really does affect my pores. Yeah, I love that this really helps to protect my pores against that. The key ingredients in this guy are of course green tea from Japan, and I don't want to butcher this name, but Ulmus davidiana root extract. I don't want to butcher that name, but there are a bunch of amazing goodies in here that are really going to soothe and just care for your skin. So I love this one in particular, but they have so many different ones, which is great. They have literally a bunch of different masks. What I'm going to do is remove the ring. I love how it's pink, by the way. You guys know I'm like obsessed with baby pink. So I removed the little ring that's there, and then when you pull out your mask, here you go. Here's what it looks like. This is so easy to do too. Like, it just takes doing masks to a whole different level. Not only is it more effective, I feel like, than your regular mask because it's using all sorts of things like cryo-therapy, LED light therapy, thermal therapy. So I feel like it's more effective, but it's also easier. So it's like, what more could I ask for? Convenience and without compromising, the effectiveness of the job. The Foreo app is great because you can start the device on your phone and it's really gonna help you power it up and time it as well. So right now it is using the green light therapy. So I'm using my phone because I have the app here, like I said. But this one is warm, which feels so good and calming and relaxing. Now it's switched over to the blue light. So what's great about the blue light is it's going to enhance the absorption of the mask. So it's gonna really help to push that mask deep into your skin and make everything absorb really nicely. Also, the blue LED light is going to help diminish the appearance of pores, which I love that for me. So that's why I love to focus it on my pores. I love to put some on my neck as well. I actually should have been putting it on my neck, kind of just got carried away with my face. So the mask that I used did not use the red light because the green tea mask is not for anti-aging. But if you use a mask that's for anti-aging, it's going to use a red LED light therapy that's really great for anti-aging. It's a smart device, so it's gonna recognize, well, I actually scanned the barcode of my green tea mask and it knows that I'm using the green tea mask. So it's going to use the therapies and the LED lights needed for that mask specifically. So it specifically used the green and the blue light and cryo-therapy and thermotherapy because it knows that that's going to be best for the green tea mask as well as best for my skin because I chose the green tea mask. So I just love how like smart this device is. It really is a smart device. But at the same time, like smart devices sometimes intimidate me because I'm like, oh my God, is it gonna just, it's gonna be so hard to work with. It's gonna be so complicated. Not at all. Like you guys, not at all. This is the easiest device to work with, the least time consuming and the most effective. But what you wanna do is you actually don't wanna rinse the mask off. You want to go and take all of that amazing essence and rub it into your skin. Now I am just going to pop on some moisturizer, on some deodorant. I just feel like my skin looks really good. So thank you UFO Foreo Sweden for the like mini 90-second facial. Honestly obsessed with this device. You guys definitely need to check it out. I'm gonna leave a link down below where you guys can purchase it. It's also available at Sephora. Pretty much that's kind of it for my skincare routine. I put on my deodorant. Now we're gonna head downstairs and eat some breakfast because I am hungry at this point. Like I'm hungry. So then I'm heading downstairs for breakfast and Sugar is always following me every step of the way. I decided to give him a little carrot and sweet pepper. It's like his favorite little snack. So I thought you guys would enjoy some pup cam, watching him eat his little snacks. So I always pop up the dishwasher. I always put away the clean dishes from the night before away, but the night before I didn't have to run the dishwasher because it wasn't full. So I'm keeping the dishwasher open so that while I cook breakfast, I can put my dishes in there and it helps to keep my kitchen nice and clean and my sink empty. I always keep my sink empty, okay? Dishes go in the dishwasher, not the sink. That's the rule. As you can see, I'm kind of crazy when it comes to my cleaning stuff. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready for breakfast. So I'm grabbing some bacon and then I'm grabbing some eggs. To be honest with you, that's kind of what I eat every single morning. Sometimes I switch it up, you know, a smoothie or a bagel or a little breakfast tortilla. But most of the times I just can't be bothered with breakfast. I'll just make eggs and bacon, simple and easy. And I am like literally obsessed with water. I've been for years drinking about 3 liters a day. Yeah, I would say I drink about roughly 3.5 liters every day. And I don't even try hard. I just kind of do it naturally because I just love water so much. I don't drink anything else, like no pops, nothing. So I'm just making my breakfast, making my eggs. I kind of switch up the way I do my eggs every morning. It just depends. I'm also having some pineapple on the side. I have fruit every single morning for the past like 2 months. That's been like my rule and I just love it. It makes me feel productive. It helps with cravings throughout the day. So I make sure to have a serving of fruit every single morning. And I always eat on my kitchen island. I don't know why, even though my TV is literally right there in the family room, I feel like if I eat on the couch, then I'm not gonna be as productive. So I'll just eat on the island and watch my show. I actually just started watching Breaking Bad. Can you guys believe I've never watched it before? But it is really good. I'm really enjoying it. And then I caught Sugar Baby by himself in the other room. And then he caught me staring at him, so I retreated. And after I finish eating, I always put my dirty dishes right in the dishwasher. That's why I leave it open, so it's just easy and it kind of reminds me, even though I'm already in the habit. And I always clean up and wash up after I eat. I'm gonna need these pans for lunch and dinner, so I kind of just hand wash them. And yeah, I always make sure to clean up because that's just how I'm a big believer in like maintaining the cleanliness of your home rather than leaving everything messy and then you have to do these big deep cleans all the time. So I actually think I'm gonna do a clean with me video soon, but yeah, just cleaning, wiping up the countertop, and I did wipe up the stove as well. I just didn't film that. And then I'm heading back upstairs because I need to get ready for the day. On this particular day, I'm filming, or I was filming. So I always just have to do my hair, decide what style I'm doing. I kind of just decided to go for straight because it's like the easiest, and I was pretty busy this day. So I'm just straightening up my hair. And I do need to do my makeup, so I'm heading over to my studio. I do my makeup in my studio. Sometimes I do it in my studio bathroom, which I am right now. And then sometimes I do it on my makeup filming desk. It just depends on my mood and depends on the makeup look. So yeah, it just depends. But this day I decided to get ready in my bathroom studio. I love the mirror that I have on here. And yeah, I'm just really doing like a kind of soft glam natural-ish look. This look took me like 15 minutes to do. I wanted to make it quick and easy because I was filming quite a bit of content on this day, so I had to be quick and efficient. So yeah. Then once I'm done doing my makeup, I just pick out something to wear that day for whatever I'm doing. I, on this day, was filming another video, so a lot of the times it just requires me to set everything up. If I'm not filming in my studio, then I need to take all my equipment and like pick a scene in my house and like set everything up. And it is a lot of work, but it's so worth it because I like to switch up my background so it's not always the same. And here's a little sneak peek of kind of how the mess and the, you know, everything, how it looks. I pretty much will turn on my camera and really get a view to see how I like, you know, I'll pick like a scene in a background for the video, and I kind of liked how this looked. So yeah, here's like a little background kind of view on how everything is. So that completes the entire morning routine, you guys. I'm actually about to start filming my next video. Everything is set up, and that's pretty much it for my morning. Normally by now it's already close to noon and I start filming. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my morning routine. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start filming before it gets too late, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.